recording? Alright, let's button this up. Let's see, so we want... There actually is an indentation here from the wire, so we'll use the same routing for the wire. And we'll need to pull these two together. And we'll be using hog ring pliers. Spread it open. There's a pocket on each side if you've never used these before. That'll hold it. And they basically sit in like this. Now what I want to do, I'm going to use some locking pliers, some vice grips to help hold this together. Is that going to come together right there? Yep, it will. Why is that one longer? Make sure it's evenly spaced. Just to hold it long enough to get the hog ring on there. That's not working. There we go. You want to go over both pieces of plastic into the fabric and squeeze. No, that one's captured. And just work your way across. Some of these can be a pain. There we go. That is done. Now we can start on the bottom cushion. I need to cut this hoop and this crosswire back out of here. So we're not going to be using this cover. Kind of encourage it to bend where you push it through. Just wanting to be a pain. I'm just cutting a slit across, so this will go all the way through. Turn it up, catch it. Alright, let's see, we've got one, two, we got three, 1, 2, 3, 2, and then back here. Take this one in. It should go through to the back. And that should cover all the way to the back. Oh yeah, don't forget this metal. Notice also that there's two cutouts here. I think those are, that's for hog rings, if I remember correctly. Now we're going to try to get this out. And work it around. Alright, where's the pocket at? There it is. Hanging on stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go fight with this and just work it around. Alright, so I got that bottom bar in. This is actually an extra pocket up here. I didn't realize that. But so the first ones we're gonna do is in the back. You kind of want to roughly measure about middle of that slot up to where this cross bar goes in right here, about that far, and we're just going to measure down. That's where the really short ones, these actually go to the side and they catch the big hoop that goes around the outside. They're about here. And the middle ones are going to catch wires, along with the two here and the one in the middle up front. So using the same distance, measurement tool here, that far in. And for this one, we want to use one of the little bit longer ones. They're still pretty short, but not as short as the one in the back. Now, one in the middle, right here, which is going to be, let's see, how much space have we got going down? Yeah, that one will work. Right in the center. Foam sticker up there. And then right across where the seam is, right here, there's one there and one there. We'll tuck this all the way through out the back. And these wires need to hook in right there on each side. There's a little hook right there. Come on, where are you at? There it is. Almost. Is it down or? Don't tell me there's nothing facing. Oh, it's facing up. It needs to be facing down. Now I gotta pull it out and see if I can push the wire into it. except my wire is on the underside of the cross wire. It needs to be on the other side. It needs to be over the wire I want to pull down onto. Over the wire, on the clip. Nope. Oh, I got it, didn't it? Okay, yeah, you got it. Before you go any further with this, you want to make sure that you work this side along this wire down so that it covers the foam as much right down here as possible. There's going to be a little bit of the foam exposed there. There's not a whole lot you do about it. It's just the way this thing is made. But you can stretch it a little bit. Then this hog rings to this bar right here. You just pull those together and hog ring it. That's what holds the front down. Alright, so the back flap is pulled around and over. Just wiring it out of the way. And right where the main hoop is, right here, where the big wire is, that goes all the way around, this wire in here gets hog ringed to the outside hoop on each side. That's it. The factory actually notches out the material right here so it doesn't wear, but I'm just going to go all the way through the leather. There's one. Whoops. Make sure you go over the wire. There we go. That's it. Connect the two warmer pads here. And then I need to route all this wiring back to safe spots out of the way. That's fine where it is. Can reconnect all this with a heater harness that I cut apart. Now I just need to tidy this up in here with zip ties. Let's flip it up and see how it looks. That needs a little heat gun work, a little stretching right there. Same thing right here. Almost like original. I like it. A little more tweaking there on the leather and it'll be good to go. Alright, let's sneak peek. Leather wrapped control panel cover there. I think it's going to look good. A little bit of a different leather texture. Gives a little character. Feels good to the touch. Yep. Let me put all this back together. We'll install this and then actually I might shoot some video of that. Yeah, we'll do that next. I'll do a video on reinstalling the controls and all this stuff.